Hello friends, how are you all? As you all know, I put AI-related content in this channel. In today's video we talk about how in the era of AI we can learn something from AI and implement it in our life. Then why not talk about earning money from AI? So today let's talk about how we can create content for our social media with the help of ChatGPT. First let's talk if you want to make a video on YouTube, then how to prepare a script for it. By the way, I have made a video for how to make it on YouTube with the help of AI. The link of that video is in the description, you can check it. So first of all you should know your niche. Which niche do you want to work on? Suppose your niche is traveling. Then now you open ChatGPT and put a topic in it, like if I want to go to Goa, then I will search where to roam in Goa for 4 days. This will give you complete information. This information is in front of you, copy it and save it. Now you can prepare a video related to this topic. Full information about how to make a video is in the description of the video. Similarly, if you write blogging, you can write many blogs in a day by using ChatGPT, like you used to take 2 days to write a blog earlier. At the same time, you can write many blogs with the help of ChatGPT. It is obvious that if you put more blogs on your website, then your income will also grow quickly. To increase your productivity, you should take help of AI, like you open ChatGPT and put topic in it, most dangerous place in India, then it will give you complete information. Now you have to copy this and upload it on the website. If you want to know in full details how you can do blogging with the help of AI, then definitely tell by commenting, then I will give you a complete video about it. If you like the video made by me, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel to see such AI-related content.